What's up everyone, Alessandro here, and today I have something very special for you. I hope you're gonna like this new project that I have discovered. It is called Memeclip, and I think that this one will do big in the future, especially right now, since it is of course here in the crypto space very common to invest into new upcoming coins and also meme coins especially. And this one here is just getting started. This is really day one of this project, and here every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price will increase, and we can start basically since day one. As you can see, they're just getting started. They just raised $600, which is basically nothing, but we can start to invest into this one here, guys. And I believe that Memeclip has a very good potential to be a very successful project. And of course, I'm also bullish for their own token as well, because their own token will be also used in different of those meme clips. And Memeclip is going to do also kind of mini games or meme coin games for your mobile phone. And you know that everyone nowadays is playing with mobile phone. So imagine if you can play, for example, with Dogecoin or with Paper some games and also get rewarded into those meme clip coins, but you can also of course directly buy into the coin. And this is exactly what we are going to do today. So I'm gonna show you something a bit here, what this Memeclip and so on, and also how to purchase the token, how to stake it and so on. So we're gonna have a nice little tutorial video here as well. And if you want to check it out, of course guys, be subscribed on this channel. We do also giveaways here with every 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for your great support. We are almost at 1,300 subscribers. And also all those new upcoming cryptos like Memeclip you're gonna find here in the video description, and of course also exchanges that I'm using if you want to buy some cryptos, Bybit, Binance, Femex and so on. I'm using all of them. With my sign up links you get extra deposit bonuses, the highest ones that you can get on those exchanges if you use my sign up links. And remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice. All the content in this video is just my own ideas. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying, that I'm selling, that I'm doing here in the crypto space since 2017. So everything is no financial advice. I'm just sharing everything with you, and I hope that you also are following me, because so far we have been doing great. But you can always do your own research and check out the projects yourself. The websites are always linked here in the video description. And now let's dive here into Memeclip, because Memeclip is right now a completely new project that is coming out. It is already seen in different crypto websites, as you can see here. And you can see here the description of what Memeclip is. Here it's written, we are Memeclip, the mad scientists of the internet who smash together mini-clip nostalgia, meme culture and crypto gains into one glorious chaos machine. This ain't your grandma's crypto project. Games and memes means infinite dominate the hits. This is also already proved by Solid. So Solid Proof is the audit. And you can see that they have so far everything okay. Nothing happened so far with the website. I mean, it's completely new, of course, but they already passed through the audit, which is important, because here you can see if it can be like hacked or the coin can be like rug pulled or something like that. And this is basically like a certification that the project is legit and so on. So based on the audit of Solid Proof, everything is okay. That's always good when you see third-party approvements basically, or audits. Then if we continue to scroll down, you can see here already some screenshots and some views here of the app itself, and also that you can connect in the future your wallet like Coinbase or MetaMask, and then play games and also earn the token. So this is kind of the play to earn coin, but also of course we can invest already now into the coin itself. And here also it's written a bit, join us or regret later, hahaha, and things like that. And here already you can see some of the footage of the games. And here it's written, for example, this subway meme rush. It's a grumpy cat chases you down, collect meme goodies like epic face masks and dodge wild hazards with power-ups like coin cascade and pot pause, outrun your chaser for epic rewards. So you can basically read everything about each game that is now on the development here. Also Popcat's soccer showdown, Doge card will be fun. Maybe this is going to be the next Mario Kart, who knows that. And I think they have a good potential here to be like a very good leading project and platform for those meme coin games. And yeah, it's really just a pure meme coin party here with those games. And you see here also the total supply of the coins. So it is a lot, but of course since it is distributed through all those games, I think it's okay to have such a big supply. But of course, that means that also based on the tokenomics, most of it is going out during the pre-market phase, 25% is in marketing, and staking rewards are only 12%. So that means that most of it is distributed during now the pre-market phase, and that's why I want to also buy the coin and not wait until the games are coming out and then you have to collect all those coins. So also they're gonna introduce those mini games towards the end. Of course, now the concept and development is in, token listing and app launch, and then the long-term vision and so on. So the games will be coming out at the end. Here on the website you can also check out the Fortune quickie generator, so you can open it now and read a sentence every day here if you want to check it out. You can also sign up to their newsletter. There are also limited edition NFTs as well. Open it now, already available on OpenSea. If we click here, we will be forwarded to OpenSea. So already now you can, they're not listed yet apparently, but probably at launch or as soon as the project is going live, because it is really day one, guys. So I'm really curious if I can already buy it now, but I think I should be able to invest now into the coin. So you can of course also join their social media account, but it is completely new. It is completely new here on X and Telegram, but feel free to join there as well. And now I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can buy into this coin before the games are launching, before the coin is launched. And remember, the coins will be locked here on the website. That's why I'm gonna buy with staking rewards, because like that, thanks to the high staking rewards, I'm gonna have more coins at launch than I'm buying up right now. So if you want to buy, click the link in the video description to end up on the official website, and then you click here connect wallet, because then you can see you can choose more than 500 different wallets, and I like to use MetaMask, so I click here MetaMask, and then I click here connect to the website, because then my MetaMask account is connected to the website, and then I can buy and sell of course through the dashboard here. I have some Tether loaded up here, and you can also choose different chains of course, and I like to use the Ethereum chain here for example. Then select the currency, for example USDT, and then we can select here the amount of tokens that we would like to buy, for example for $100, so $1,000 and so on. And then you click here buy and stake, and then you can see here the window that is appearing that I want to do a transaction. So I click yes. This is just to allow basically that I want to do the transaction, and now we have to wait of course. And then once the transaction is done, or once I'm buying the coins, then I'm gonna see my coins that I purchased right here, and you're gonna get also a confirmation as you can see, approved successfully, please don't refresh the website. So we just have to wait until this is done, and then of course we can directly see our coins right here once the transaction is done. And now we just have approved that we have allowed basically the website to do transactions here. And now again, buy and stake, and then you see the actual transaction. This is the actual transaction that we're doing now. So we click OK. Then you can see $100 have been sent. And now we have to wait until this is progressed, of course. It can take sometimes, depending on how Ethereum, the chain is loaded up, some seconds or even minutes. So just wait until it is done. And if you waited for too long or something, please wait while we are validating transactions. So if after like a few minutes or hours still nothing appears, you just refresh the website. Very easy and simple, because it's completely new. But normally everything should be working very smoothly like here now. So Memeclip token buy is successfully, and now you can see here my coins over there, 28,000 coins that I bought. And if I go now here to staking, you can see that my coins are now in here for the staking, and now the staking rewards drop down to 658% API, and they will be accumulated here every now and then. And later on, of course, once we can claim the tokens, I'm gonna do an update video, of course, because we can claim then the rewards, we can claim then our tokens and so on. And you can do everything basically here. Also check out the website, of course, audit, the white paper, the staking, tokenomics, roadmap, and so on. So the staking tab is very, very important, of course. And here the dashboard, because thanks to that, you can here buy and sell the coins. You can see that now the raised funds are $100 higher, because I bought now $100 worth of those coins here into this project as well. So this is Memeclip, guys. You can also check out their white paper, of course, to read everything about the project itself. and also some details about all those meme coin games that will come out. So I am very bullish for this new project, and I'm definitely also following up their social media platforms. And yeah, be part of it if you want. I like this idea very much. I like the coin, I like the project very much, and I hope that those crypto games will come out, because I like to play crypto games and of course also invest into their coins. You will be able also to earn those coins there, but right now I would be definitely investing also into the coin right now. Of course, no financial advice, but I am buying into the coin and be prepared for the big launch. I keep you updated on this project as well, guys. This is how easy you can invest into this new coin. So check it out, guys. Link in the video description, and let me know how do you like that. The Memeclip is ongoing. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.